Hello, my name is Roger Marple. I was diagnosed with a form of dementia about 5 years ago now. When people receive a terminal diagnosis such as this, I found it's human nature to picture in our minds how things will look at end of days. And to make a long story short, I found myself in a sea of despair, and quite frankly, I found this to be a very dark time in my life. I felt I was trapped on a hamster wheel in my mind, so to speak, and for the life of me, I could not get off this wheel of despair, this pattern in my mind. After some time, I was eventually made aware of our Alzheimer's Society of Alberta and Northwest Territories, and I'm happy to say in their own gentle way, they helped me understand that for me, there is a life after diagnosis, and encouraged me to live in the here and now and to pursue a life of purpose and meaning for me, whatever way that may look. You see, our Alzheimer's Society gave me a very precious gift in my life, and I call it my dementia toolkit. This toolkit is filled with great information to help me navigate this journey in many ways. And I can safely say I use this toolkit each and every day of my life. I'm not going to sugarcoat what it's like to be living with Alzheimer's. At times it can be very hard and difficult. As time goes on, challenges become more pronounced. Having said that, I have put things into place from a proactive point of view, thanks to my toolkit that helped me navigate challenges and get on with what we all want, a full and meaningful life. I can safely say I live a life filled with many moments of joy, purpose, and meaning, challenges aside. You see, my hopes and dreams have not changed, and I still pursue them with much vigor and enthusiasm every single day. I love life as much as anyone else. I want to share a program that our health services and our Alzheimer's Society of Alberta and Northwest Territory offers to all of us walking this dementia journey. It's called First Link. And the idea behind First Link, it's very simple. At the time of a diagnosis, a referral is made to the Alzheimer's Society. The Society will then reach out and offer their services to help families navigate this journey in a positive, proactive way, such as they have for me. I never got this referral when I was diagnosed, and I have to say I sure wish this was offered to me at the time of my diagnosis. Perhaps that hamster wheel of despair in my mind I experienced would be shorter lived. Imagine a world where people who are diagnosed with dementia and their loved ones receive the support that they need to start their journey off on the right foot every single time. First Link can make that happen. At the end of the day, all these wonderful services and programs that our Alzheimer's Society offers us simply would not exist for people like me if it wasn't from donations for people like you. If you are able, I'm asking you, please consider making a gift to our Alzheimer's Society today. Your donation would go a long way towards making a difference in the lives for people walking this dementia journey. People just like me. I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your consideration. Thank you very much.